within tomorrow when we. That's when we forget just who we make us come together and it's alright. That's when you remember who you are. That's when we make us come together. That's when we forget just who make us come together. That's when you remember who you
Alright, peeps, welcome to Mega Travels 365, previously called Mega Travels JA. I decided to make a change because I just thought to myself, I didn't want to limit myself to just Jamaica, so thinking bigger and broader. So Mega Travels 365, 365 meaning the 365 days in the year. So this is pretty much a revamp of the channel. As I can see, if those who know me, head trim off, tall hair trim off. So this is just a signification that, fresh start, reset. Speaking about reset, I am recording this video literally about 2 or 3 weeks after Hurricane Melissa has devastated Jamaica.
Hurricane Melissa.
Monster hurricane slamming Jamaica at this hour.
This is the strongest hurricane they've ever seen.
So this is just like a documentary, day one documentary of the aftermath, the life after Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica. So you're gonna see me and the family. This is supposed to be a travel channel, obviously, but just take this as we building back from ground zero to the beautiful Jamaica that I'm about to show you guys when we rebuild. So just join me on the road. I'm going to head and buy some stuff for the kids, not many things, just some Pampers, and then I'm just going to hit the gym. Just really recently just opened today. The gym was closed and it just opened today. I don't have any equipment, so I have to hold the camera in my hand. Camera heavy. Yeah. So yeah, people, me that show no. Camera heavy, man. So yeah, people, just follow the journey. Just support the channel, support me. I don't need any donations. I'm not gonna make a GoFundMe or anything. All I want as a support is just to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, watch the video so I can get some views. Those views, those subscription would lead to me being monetized. That's the only support I need, and that can help me to build back after Hurricane Melissa and help who I can help. So just join me. This is day one as me and the family and whoever build Jamaica back to the paradise we know. Bad girl, headache.
Us know how we're going to navigate this through. Our question: which Jamaican communities are still waiting for aid and damage assessment? The plan brought to you by the Technical Institute of Jamaica. Connections coming up right after this message here.
As long as your savings and business accounts are in a bank or building society.
Burger King. Holla me, holla yo, holla way. Put the engine.
That's when we forget just who make us come together. Make us come together. That's when you that's when we forget just who make us come together. That's when you
me that. Remember that day? Two of them, one is alright. So we're going to sell them out to them.
When I was walking into Progressive, I stumbled across Nigel, the owner of Nyaman Chat, right here on Fairview Plaza, Montego Bay. So I just feel like I want him to, introduce himself to you guys.
My name is Nigel Hendricks, owner of Nyaman Chat, Fairview Plaza. So I do soup and I do porridge for now. And as you can see, we do some pastry here and drinks in the fridge and all these things. So that's just it.
That's what we forget just to make us go together, alright. Make us go together.
Red peas, pigtail and cow skin.
That's what we forget just to make us go together, alright.
So this is now pumpkin chicken foot and chicken neck soup. Very, very delicious. You don't want to stop drink this. Nyam and chat. This is it. Good. And over here now we have red peas, pigtail and cow skin. So this is it. So it's only finishing now anyway. Good. Nice. That's cow skin, red peas, pigtail and cow skin. Yeah. And we serve her. So business is very, very good. No complaint. Good support from all these people around here, and I like it, trust me. And I enjoy what I'm doing right here.
Nadine from Hanover. And Cutie. Cutie is my pet name. Everybody know me as Cutie.
So this is not the most conventional way for shooting, but I have to work with what we have. Not sure if the camera is really seeing me, but I think I have good audio. So I just arrived at the gym, the workout center. And would you believe that I decided I was gonna take my health more serious and get rid of the weight, reinvent myself. And it was literally a day before the storm. I think the 27th, I signed up for the gym. I can even pop up the email here on the screen so you can see the date that I got the email. So many lives have changed, have been affected due to this hurricane. Mine has, or have, in some form or way, I'm still living safely, comfortably, despite not having any light in the water. But my childhood home in Westmoreland, where I was born and raised, my childhood home was destroyed due to the hurricane. But as I mentioned earlier, this is pretty much, I would say, rebuilding, or it's a hard reset on life. I just think this is a hard reset for Jamaica. Yes, we are a beautiful country, but there are a lot of things happening here that I don't think I should disclose right here. But sometime in life, we all need a reset, Make the lemonade out of lemons. That's how I would put it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't really have much to add to it. And just know that my people are very resilient people, very joyful. We make the best out of even the worst situations, and we will rebuild from this. I believe so. Yes, you're confident we're going to reach a river today?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, good.
Ready?
Yeah. You can't fear driving, babes. You have to just drive and just stay on your side. Watch out for your next driver them. And just always ensure you anticipate. Meaning, just assume everybody is an idiot except you on the road. So I guess that's the best way we can put it. Just stay on your side and just drive the speed where you can manage.
Put on them there.
So I'm taking back the steering wheel because she says she feels, as always, every time I get a car, she don't want to go on the main road. How you learn to drive, miss? If every time I go up on the main road, yeah, give me car. How you learn?
Soon. We soon get rid of fear.
Oi. So yeah, people, no light, no water, no internet. But one thing about me, I'm glad me always was a countryman and still is a countryman, a country boy living in the city. So I adapt. So for now, a river life, that's all babes. River life, trust me, I don't miss nothing. It's nice, inconvenient because they're like a couple minutes away from home. So I just come a river every single day with the fam. I will be here. When I fresh, get some water and pretty much fine.
Oh, that's a deep video out there, but we have to stay shallow.
After Hurricane Melissa, the river just come down, and this is what we have here today. We can enjoy, hopefully, the road work that they are doing. They won't block off this area and we can still have access to the river. Yeah man, real country style. Dettol, disinfect. Best thing for put in your water when you're bathed. For all of the Gen Z, them show them babes. Dettol, all of the Gen Z. Show them now. No for them know what Dettol look like. Show them the Dettol. Yeah, make it, yeah. It not only make you feel fresh, but very good for disinfecting your water. So you can be without worrying about ringworm and germs and all that stuff for coming in the water. Let me call mature demeanor fool. She a Gen Z, I don't remember, she does remind me. Gen Z. When about again? 1990? 98. So then say Gen Z are all who born after 96. So sorry babes. You're the big man. It's the next time you refer to me as sir.